Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best cue tips is probably one of the most overlooked aspects of the game, yet it significantly impacts your performance. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, the right cue tip can transform your game. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of cue tips, exploring the different types, materials, and how they affect your shots. Get ready to elevate your billiards game with the perfect cue tip. Number 5. Billiard Pool Cue Tips Replacement Kit. These pool cue tips are perfect for replacing worn or damaged tips. They are a must-have for any pool player, ensuring you can quickly repair your cue and keep playing. Available in 9mm, 10mm, 12mm, and 13mm sizes, this kit fits most billiard sticks. This variety ensures that you'll find the perfect fit for your cue, improving your game. Made from reliable artificial leather, these tips offer high density and hardness. The smooth, textured surface helps you maintain excellent control over the ball. The included plastic storage box keeps the tips organized and prevents loss. It's compact and easy to carry, making it convenient to store and transport them. With 20 cue tips and a storage box, this kit provides plenty of replacements. This ensures you're well equipped for numerous matches and can share with friends. What we like. This kit offers a variety of sizes, ensuring a perfect fit for your cue. It also includes a convenient storage box to keep everything organized. If you're a pool player who likes to be prepared and have options, this is the ideal choice for you. What people say. These tips are easy to work with. The layers stayed together through cutting and shaping of the tip. Easy to put on and the perfect sizes for all my cues. Number 4. Elk Master 13mm Pool Cue Tips. These are Elk Master cue tips, known for their quality. The tips are made from specially treated leather, ensuring a superior playing experience. Each tip is precisely 13mm in size, perfect for optimal ball control. This size is a standard for many players, providing a consistent feel. You'll receive a set of 12 tips, ensuring you're well equipped. This provides plenty of replacements for extended use. Elk Master tips are crafted with care and precision. The combination of skilled workmanship and quality materials makes it a top choice. The secret lies in a specially treated leather. This process enhances the tip's durability and performance, giving you an edge on the table. What we like. These tips are crafted from specially treated leather, known for their exceptional quality. The 13mm size is a standard for many players. If you're looking for a reliable and high-performing tip to elevate your game, this is the one. What people say. The Elk Master tips are adaptable in this regard, because if you were a cue repair professional, which you certainly are not, if you're reading this, you could soak and press them to achieve greater hardness, but still keep the other good qualities of the tip. They are, without a doubt, the easiest to maintain medium soft tips I've ever used. They are not oversized. Most pool sticks sold today come with a 13mm diameter at the thin end of the shaft, which means these will fit perfectly. Smaller diameters of these tips are sold as well. Number 3. Pengxiaomei 40 PCS Slip-on Pool Cue Tips. Introducing the Pengxiaomei Pool Cue Tips, designed to elevate your game. These tips ensure a solid hit, giving you the control you need for every shot. With 4 different sizes, this set has the perfect fit for your cue. Whether you're a seasoned player or just starting, these tips will enhance your game. Made with a plastic cover and leather tips, this product is built to last. It's designed to withstand the rigors of regular play, ensuring you get the most out of it. These tips are essential for any billiard enthusiast. They help protect your cue and provide a better feel, making every game more enjoyable. Installation is quick and easy, so you can get back to playing right away. These tips will help you get a fast repair and hit the cue ball solidly. What we like. These tips feature a convenient slip-on design, making replacement quick and easy. Available in multiple sizes to fit various cues. If you need a simple, effective solution to protect and enhance your cue, consider this. What people say. Quick replacement for public use cues. Product was as described. These replacement tips are great for just regular pool sticks and home use sticks. Number 2. 10 brass screw-on pool cue tips. This set includes 10 soft-tip brass screw-on pool cue tips. They are easy to install onto your pool sticks, and each tip comes with a brass screw. Soft tips absorb more energy upon impact. This allows the tip to stay on the ball a bit longer. This results in more spin or English on the cue ball. Make sure your current sticks have screw-in ferrules. These tips are 12 mm, so check your current tips to make sure they match. These tips are designed to be used with 3 8Q stick ferrules. These are sold separately, so make sure your pool sticks use ferrules. These tips are made of high-quality brass and plastic. This makes them durable and great for use at home, in bars, or office lounges. What we like. These tips are designed to screw on, making installation straightforward. The soft tips provide enhanced spin control. If you're looking for a tip that offers more control and is easy to install, this is a great option. What people say. Super easy to install, and they've really improved my cue's performance. They fit perfect and my cue is back in the game. Improve my game, I had hard tips. Number 1. CUESOUL M cue tips, pool and snooker cue tip. Introducing the CUESOUL M cue tips, a versatile choice for both pool and snooker players. This tip is designed to enhance your game, offering a balance of control and power. The medium hardness of this tip makes it a great choice for most billiard players. It provides a good feel for the ball and allows for accurate shots. Made from high-quality Japan-baked pig leather, this tip holds billiard chalk exceptionally well. This ensures consistent performance and reduces miscues. This tip is easy to install and maintain, making it a convenient choice for all players. You can quickly replace it and get back to playing. Whether you play pool or snooker, this tip is designed to meet your needs. For snooker, you might need to shape it a bit more, but it's easy to do. What we like. These tips offer a medium hardness, suitable for various playing styles. Made from high-quality pig leather, they hold chalk well. If you're looking for a versatile tip that's easy to install and maintain, this is a great choice. What people say. After installing these, they held perfectly and it gave me the ability to install the kind of tip I wanted. They grab onto the cue ball for any type of English you need to apply, and believe it or not, they actually hold chalk really well. For the money, the tip plays very good. Has good ball control and movement. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.